So this garden is all about layers. The back of this residence, we were able to create large terraces to take full advantage of the very narrow property line. We have the St. John's wort, the Sunny Boulevard. Through here, we have a nice row of that. We have the wonderful repeat bloomer. It's working on its third flush now of the Oh So Easy cherry pie. Here we have some Shasta Viburnum. These were planted to provide some screening and division. This is the bedroom window across here. And then we have lots of this spilled wine Weigelia. Again, absolutely love this introduction from Proven Winners. In this particular border, we really were looking for some very low growing plants. And we have in early spring, this is the Nepeta Cat's Pajamas. In the middle, we have chosen Aronia. This again is Proven Winners Aronia. This is the Low Scape Mound. Gorgeous white flowers in the spring, lots of flowers for the early pollinators, and it has just amazing fall color on it. In the front, cascading over the wall, we have Alyssum. This is Snow Princess from Proven Winners Annuals. And then we have the lavender hedge along the bottom. As we come down the stairs, this is the Sunken Patio. This is a gas fire pit here. And we have created a seat wall across the back that gives us room for our annual display that we change out every single year. We have the little lime hydrangeas framing the patio. Upper level, you'll see that the windows come down very low. So I had to pick plants here that were going to stay below the windows. I wanted something that had an interesting texture, a really long bloom time, and because we have so many birds and pollinators here, I wanted something that was going to interact from inside. You wouldn't believe the number of monarch butterflies that float by at any given time. We have a low border of the wee white, hydrangea wee white. You can see it here with its second bloom coming on. The Buglia Pugster blue. It stays nice and compact. I don't trim the spent blooms off of it. I think that they're really an interesting texture in the winter, and I don't have much problem with this one reseeding, which is a really nice feature. As you come around here, this is Buglia Amethyst. Oh, you can see some monarchs right there floating around. This one is very interesting. The first blooms that come out on it are very, very large, almost comical, and then the following blooms are what you would be expecting to see. Part of the challenges in this particular site was creating depth of field. So we used a lot of layers here, a lot of textures, a lot of foliage that's going to look fantastic all summer long. This particular corner of the bed gets overspray from the golf course. So you'll see it's very lush, and we have the water adjusted on this one. This client does have a dog, so the landscape has to be dog friendly. You'll see that there's gaps. That's because of the dog.